In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create multi-step forms in WPForms. We'll be working inside your WordPress dashboard and using WPForms to turn a standard form into a multi-step experience that feels cleaner and easier for visitors to complete. This is especially helpful when your form has a lot of fields because breaking it into sections can make it feel less overwhelming and more organized. To get started, head over to your WordPress dashboard. Once you're there, navigate to WPForms and then click Add New. This will open the form setup area where you can begin creating the form you want to use. From here, you can either create a blank form from scratch or choose one of the available templates to save time. After opening the form builder, drag and drop the fields you need into your form. Take a moment to think about the order of your questions, since that will make it easier to split the form into clear, logical steps later on. Next, look at the left-hand menu in the builder and scroll down to the Fancy Fields section. In that section, locate the page break field. This is the key element that allows you to divide a single form into multiple steps. Now drag and drop the page break field into your form wherever you want one step to end and the next one to begin. For example, you might place one page break after contact details, then another after project information, depending on how your form is structured. The goal is to separate the form into sections that are easy for users to understand. You can continue adding as many page breaks as needed. This gives you the flexibility to split longer forms into manageable parts without changing the overall form itself. Just make sure each section has a clear purpose so the flow feels natural from one step to the next. After that, click on one of the page break fields in the form preview. This opens the field options panel where you can customize how that step behaves and appears. This is where you'll fine-tune the multi-step experience. One important setting to adjust is the progress indicator, and this helps users see where they are in the form and how much is left to complete. A clear progress display can improve the overall user experience, especially on longer forms. Finally, configure your notifications so submissions go to the right place, then publish the form when everything looks good. Once it's live, your multi-step form will be ready for visitors to use, and that's how to create multi-step forms in WPForms.